Hello and a very warm welcome to Sora Sir's classes. Today's tutorial will be on GMAT. What we are gonna do, we will pick up the quantitative section of this particular paper and try and solve it. So let's get started with the tutorial. So let us read the question. We'll start the tutorial with question number 5. The question says, if the cube has total surface area given to be 96, we need to comment on its volume. Now, a little bit of, extra or add-ons you can say. Now, a cube has 6 sides. Okay. So, if the total surface area is given to be 96, then the surface area of a square side will actually be 96 by 6, which is equal to 16. Now the area of a square is the square of the length of its side. So this is the formula. Okay. So the length of a side of a square, root of 16. So length of a side of a square is square root of 16, which is nothing but 4. So the volume of a cube is the cube of the length of its sides, and this is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, which is nothing but 64. That means C will be the correct answer to this particular question. Let us now move on to the next question. The next question which we are going to solve is marked as question number 6. Let us read it first. The question says, the table below shows enrollment in various classes at a certain college. There are 3 classes: biology, physics, calculus. Now, it further says, although no student is enrolled in all 3 classes, this is a very important information. 15 are enrolled in both biology and physics, 10 in both biology and calculus, and 12 in the combination given by physics and calculus. Now we need to know how many different students are in the 3 classes. So, in order to find the total number of students, let me reduce the ink size a bit. Okay, students, we must separate them into non-overlapping groups. Now you must be wondering why we need to do it. We actually need to do it so that no one is counted twice. That means we need to avoid the problem of double counting. Because if you count some individual more than once, then you will get an inflated version of the answer, which actually will not be correct. Okay, so we need to separate them into non-overlapping groups, which is very important. So let's see how we are going to do it. So I'll show you for one and then you will do for the rest. So the student taking only biology are the 50 students. Okay, because from here the column we can get the value. Okay, and from this you need to deduct something. You have to deduct the 15 who are also taking biology and physics. So they are 15 taking both biology and physics. So also taking physics along with biology, and also you need to deduct and 10. So you will be deducting 15 and 10. That are also, so 10 are taking both biology and calculus. So they are taking both biology, and along with biology they are also taking calculus. So how much you are gonna get? You will get that, so there are therefore 25 students in total that are taking just biology. Okay, so you will perform the same analysis, you will do the same analysis, or you will apply the same method to get the number of students taking physics. And for physics the number will be, so there are total 35, you deduct 15 and then you deduct 12, this will become 8. And for calculus you do the same thing, so you take the total number, which is 40, you deduct 10 and then further you deduct 12, you will get 18. So the total number then becomes 25 plus 8, so this is our 25, 8, 18 plus 10, 15 plus 22, and this will give us a value of 88. And so the correct answer becomes option number B is our correct answer to this particular question. So with this we wind up today's tutorial. I hope it was helpful. In case if you have any doubt, you can call or WhatsApp us on this number. And thank you so much for watching our tutorial.